Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Atomic radius questions get easy fast when you compare periodic trends instead of guessing, and this one takes just a few seconds to lock in. Fluorine and oxygen sit in the same period, so their valence electrons are in the same main energy level, which means the size comparison is not about extra shells at all. Moving from oxygen to fluorine across the period, proton count increases while shielding stays nearly the same. So fluorine pulls its electrons inward more strongly through greater effective nuclear charge. Because the pull is stronger in fluorine, its electron cloud gets held closer to the nucleus, so fluorine has the smaller atomic radius. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given trends and check steps before choosing the explanation.